In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the currency in Google Ads. If you've ever found yourself needing to adjust the currency settings in your Google Ads account, this tutorial is here to guide you through the process efficiently. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to access and modify these settings. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll need to navigate to the Google Ads homepage. Once you're logged in and at the overview section, you're ready to begin. This is the central hub where all your accounts and campaigns are displayed, providing a comprehensive view of your ad performance. Next, direct your mouse to the admin section. This will be located in the navigation panel. Hovering over admin brings up a drop-down menu, which gives you access to various account settings. It's essential to become familiar with this area as it houses all your administrative tools for managing accounts. Once you're in the admin section, look for the account settings option. Clicking on this will lead you to a new page where you can adjust several specifics of your account, including language, time zone, and importantly, currency settings. Now that you're in the account settings, you'll want to find the time zone option. Even though this might seem unrelated, the time zone setting page will guide you to where you can get more information about changing the currency setting. It's a slightly roundabout way, but it ensures you have a complete understanding of how settings interconnect. When you're at the time zone section, you'll see a Learn More link. Clicking here will pull up detailed information and FAQs about account changes, including currency adjustments. This is a crucial step as it provides necessary insights and confirmations about changing currencies. After familiarizing yourself with this information, locate the Your Currency setting. This section specifically mentions how to adjust the currency within a Google Ads account. Clicking here doesn't directly change your settings, but directs you to the information required to do so. To actually change your currency, you will need to create a new account. This might sound like extra work, but Google Ads only allows currency changes during the setup of a new account. So click on Create a New Account. You'll need to enter all required details, essentially mirroring the process you went through initially. Finally, once you've input all your account information, navigate to the billing page. Here you can set your desired currency. Make sure this matches your business's needs and the markets you're operating in. Confirm all details, and there you have it. Your currency is now set correctly. Following these steps carefully will ensure you have a smooth transition to your preferred currency in Google Ads. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful for navigating this specific Google Ads adjustment.